Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Young and I'm a creative. And today we're gonna do an unboxing on my channel that is a little different than usual. Today we are gonna do a Witch Casket unboxing. And I usually do Redbird unboxings. I usually do vintage and different kind of thrift type haul things. But I've been watching some of these Witch Casket boxes and seeing the stuff in them, and I just thought they were really cool, so I thought I'd give it a try. So if you're up to check it out with me, let's go. Now the box comes like this. This is a box from the UK, so I'll link their info and information on the bottom so you can learn a little bit more. And what I thought was really interesting was I've seen other unboxings of this, and they say that this wrapper is so that people don't know what you're getting. I thought that was really interesting that people would care if you're getting a box that has witchy stuff in it, but I know that dominant religions, they see any religion that's not theirs as like evil. So maybe like you might live in a really conservative area or neighborhood or even have conservative family that feels that way. But I'm just not one of those people. So just know that when you get it, it comes in this kind of wrap like this. You don't know what's in it. So people won't necessarily know that you're getting a witch box. All right, let's open her up. There we go. The box is super cute, right? Oh my goodness, I think it's so pretty. And I love how it has like the little keyhole graphic. This is super cute. Okay, so because it was in like a different wrapping, we can just open her up. Ooh, okay. So I'm guessing this kind of tells me everything that's in it for 2021, June 2021. So I think, let's just see. Yeah, so it does. It tells me everything that's in it. So I am gonna read this for myself later. Oh my goodness. So also I think in this video, I'm gonna like style this stuff with some of my creepier vintage items. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm gonna put these with it and show you how I take stuff in this box and kind of style it with other things I own. Ooh, so look at this beautiful piece of artwork. Isn't that just fantastic? I love this. I think it is really, really cool. It's very like, you know, like just wonderfully tattoo feeling, wonderfully symbolic. I mean, doesn't this just give you like turn of the century spiritualism vibes? It totally does. Ooh, and the next thing. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is a past, present, future. This is for tarot card readings. So I do read tarot cards. I have read tarot cards for almost 18 years now. And this is for a past, present, future spread, which is a super easy spread to learn to do. And yes, I love this. This is so cool. Okay, so this next item was like a spoiler posted on Instagram, and I saw it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try the box because I thought the spoiler item was so cool. Okay, here it is. Oh my goodness, look! It's a little, I don't know if you can see it, Book of Shadows. Look at how it's embossed. And then it uses kind of gloss to add to the relief. Oh, I love this. And it's got beautiful pages so I can write in it and keep things. I love this. This is really cool. So this was the spoiler that kind of like sent me over the edge and made me be like, I'm gonna try this box. This looks cool. Okay, so the next thing in the box is a protection tea blend. Oh, okay. So it says magical properties, fennel for protection and peppermint for purification. Brew with intent and drink mindfully. Ingredients are fennel, peppermint, and black tea. So there's that. I'm excited for this. I do drink tea. It doesn't say whether it has caffeine or not, but I'm betting in that book it does. Ooh, and this is like a little packet. Ooh, so this is like a spell packet. Cool. Oh, this is so neat. Okay, so let's open this at the end. Let's open the other things first. Oh, so this is another packet of tea. So we got 2 packs of tea. Oh, and here we have a little black stone, and I'm 100% sure that is a stone for protection. I forget what this stone is called, but the black stones are very much for protection usually. It says black jasper is believed to protect its bearer from, what does it say? Danger, hexes, and negative energies associated with the base chakra. It can help you feel more grounded, motivated, and emotionally strong. So that is awesome. I love that. I love that it comes with a little card telling you what the stone is. Ooh, okay. So this is a Power Up essential oil blend. So I don't do a lot with essential oils. I have pets, and most of the time they like never tell you if they're pet safe. And so I just don't go there with essential oils because I just don't know. And I also find that a lot of people that sell them, like they are really quick to tell me things are pet safe. And I just don't trust that always. I don't think they actually know. Okay, so here is, so it says Witch Casket Power Up Oil. Ooh, and it smells like peppermint. That's what it smells like. Yeah, it does. It smells like a strong peppermint and almost like an alcohol-y smell. So I'm definitely gonna have to look into this to make sure it is cat safe before I use it anywhere. Okay, let's see what else. There is this little black bag and it's kind of heavy. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a selenite obelisk. Nice. I love selenite. I use it a lot in my home. This is a super polished one. I don't know if I've seen selenite polished this well, but yeah, it's a fairly decent size for what this box is. So that's pretty darn cool. I'm for sure gonna use this in my home to decorate and just to keep the energy good. I also really love this cute little bag it came in. Very cute, right? Okay, so I think I'm down to the bottom of the box, and let's see. Ooh, so we have a scroll, and we got, let's see, what are these 2 things? Ooh, this is a pin, an enamel pin. I really think the card it's on is really beautiful, don't you? I think that, ooh, that back is beautiful. I love that. I love the back more than the front. And then it's got these cards, and this is an enchanting box of simple spells, tips, and brews, Witch Casket's exclusive spell cards. Cool. They hold magical answers to everyday problems. I love this. Oh, these are so great. Oh, their design of like the box and the packaging is really beautiful. I really love how everything ties together and it's like this gorgeous theme. I'm really here for that. I think that's lovely. Okay, let's look at these spell cards. De-stress, calming anger, creativity, grounding. Oh, this is me right here. Creativity, love, confidence, abundance, healing. Oh, these are cool. Bay leaf wishes. Bay leaf wishes. Oh, these are great. I'm really excited about these cards. I think they're really beautiful. I think they're gonna display really well. I love these. These are great. Okay, so now we have this little scroll. Ugh, I hate to break the seal on something like this, but like, here we go. There we go. Okay, let's check this out. Ooh. Look at that. That's neat. This is about spellcraft. I love this. It's about starting out and stocking up, setting your intentions, gather your supplies, crafting and casting your spell. Very neat. Now, there was this one last thing that I didn't open. So this is a passion and vitality ritual. Contains everything you need to attract passion and increase vitality. Let's see, I am gonna look in this book and see if I should open this or not. Maybe I shouldn't open this until I do the spell, so let's just see. So I didn't see anything in here about like not opening this until you do the spell, so let's open it and let's look what's inside. Oh, so there is a red candle, little tea light. There is a bag of herbs. It smells very strong of peppermint, which I actually love because I have really bad asthma, and peppermint, it clears your airways and helps you breathe. Any mint will do that, which is great. Okay, here's another one. It smells like peppermint too, but I think it's more of a smell coming from the other one. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's different. It doesn't smell as much. I think the peppermint is just on it. Oh, and then here is my little direction pack. And look at the groovy witch artwork. That is so neat. And just so you know, the paper everything is on is like a Yupo, like a very, very nice, very buttery feeling paper. It's almost like satin glass. If you know what satin glass feels like, it feels so good. So I am in love with these beautiful prints. Oof, that is it, y'all. I really liked everything that's in this box. I don't know if I will get this box again, but this was really fun to like get out of my comfort zone and do something different. Yeah, I love it. I think it's really cool. So if you're into witchy, spiritual things, trying new things, I say give this a go. This was so worth it. And that's it, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this little fun bonus video, and subscribe if you like unboxings or hauls. We do a lot of stuff like that on this channel, and I'd love to have you stick around. And just know that there is some crazy cool vintage projects coming up towards October for Halloween, so stay tuned. They're gonna be so great. So if you like creepy, cool, witchy things, stuff is coming. And I will talk to you later, y'all. Stay creative. Bye. Okay, so I'm trying to get this open. This is one of those moments where not having nails is hard. Ugh, come on. Open, says me. Oh, I'm gonna ruin this box, aren't I? Oh no, don't ruin box, don't ruin. Come on. Man, this is like the most, okay. Whoa, it's like not breaking, so then there's that. Apparently it's smarter than my scissors. Really good sticker, holy crow. Okay, oh, if people only knew how long I spent futzing with this, great. So let's open it and see what's inside. Lily, really, you're gonna,